It's time to change the whole house water filter. I did this a year ago, and it was the first time it had been done in over a decade. I'm telling you, that filter was nasty. But here we go. It's been 1 year, so it's time to inspect this thing. I have no idea what it's going to look like after 1 year because this is the first time that I've started to annually change this because I haven't been back home that long. So here we go. We're dumping out the old water so I can finally take this thing out. Oh, don't spill your bucket. Trying to do this one-handed and film at the same time. All right, the reveal. Here we go. Voila! Yeah, that looks a little nasty, but I'm telling you, this is mostly just iron stain, okay? If you could see it the way I see it, you'd see it's a little bit red. It's got like a little rust tint to it. There's the new one, baby. Looks 100% better, doesn't it? It's amazing what 1 year of iron can do from your well, huh? I mean, Christ, I at least don't need any iron supplements. I mean, this is going to keep me healthy for a while, right? My iron levels are high. So then we just put the new one back in and screw this thing on here, just nice and tight like that. Again, I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Then we use this very rigid wrench that they sent me. Yeah, it's not too strong. Then we turn the water back on. I was trying to do that slowly, but hey, you know, it is what it is, and it's already on. That fucker filled quickly, let me tell you what. And then we turn this one, and we're good for another year. Don't forget to change your filters, my friends. Drinking clean water now.